Hey dolls, so I'm coming to show you dolls this hair, super cute color. If y'all want to see it, keep on watching. Okay dolls, so this wig is from Arabella Hair. This is the bag. Then I got some goodies, a wig cap, an edge brush, an edge band, some lashes, a hair pin, like a little clip. So that's what's in the bag. This is the bag for the wig. It just says 26-inch on it. It doesn't have any other specs, so I will list them down below. But I'm pretty sure this is probably like a 99J. I don't know. Don't make me lie. But yeah, it's like a really pretty wine color. The curl pattern was nice, but I went ahead and put some curls in it. On this side, the curls are a little looser than this side, but it's okay because I just wanted to curl it just to kind of give y'all a finished style for this wig instead of leaving it in its natural state. I thought it would be pretty with some curls, but I wasn't about to go back in and recurl this, and I didn't straighten the hair previously or anything like that, and I kind of just really ran the curls through kind of quick. But yeah, it turned out cute, so stay tuned if y'all want to see it. This is a closure wig, and I believe it's a 4x4, so very small space, but you can definitely still do a side part and make it look really cute. So y'all can watch me do that. I like to like tuck a little piece and then like cover that area. If the wig is the same color as your hair, you could definitely do a little sideburn swoop, or pull some hair from the wig to do it, but I didn't do all of that. I just did a little bit of baby hairs there. Oh, and I didn't even go back in and like conceal the part, but I did conceal the knots of the wig. I didn't bleach it. Yeah, this is the look of the hair. If y'all okay dolls, so this is how the wig looks. You can see it has like a nice little crinkle to it, like a little wave. Real cute. It does have the elastic band sewn into the wig, so perfect if you want to do a glueless method or just to hold your wig in place better. So I just went ahead and popped it on, and a middle part was already in this wig. So at first I was gonna go with doing a middle part, so I'm just kind of using my hot comb to flat iron or hot comb that section down and using a little bit of hairspray to help mold it into place. But later on I did decide to move the wig over to the side and do a side part. With this particular wig, after I went back and I was editing, I was like, dang, I shouldn't have been being so lazy, because I definitely should have got out my small wand curler and kept this hair in its natural state and just touched up any parts that needed to be back blended, like with the curl pattern. But y'all will see that in a bit. So here I'm taking some peaking shears to cut off the lace, and these are basically zigzag scissors, but they are made for fabric. Make sure you get the fabric ones. You can pick them up from Walmart, from like the fabric section, or from like Hobby Lobby, or any type of sewing type of store like Joann's, stuff like that. And yeah, they're super sharp, and lace is fabric, so they work perfect to cut off the lace. Usually I will use my other little small scissors, and those are also for fabric, so I feel like it cuts the lace effortlessly, and they're really sharp. So y'all can see here when I'm just combing the hair out, like this curl wave pattern is so pretty. Like, I'm so mad that I was too lazy to get out my wand curler and just touch up these curls. So yeah, I was like, well, let me just switch it over and show them, you know, like, I'm pretty sure y'all already know this by now, but you could definitely do a side part with a closure wig. So first, whenever I go in, this part is kind of straight, but a little bit, you know, at a slant. But I like to do like a C-shaped part. So you can see here, this is a good parting comb because it has that extra little piece. I don't know if y'all just saw that, where the teeth are kind of like separated, like there's a piece that sticks out separate from the regular teeth. So it's great for parting hair. And you can see I just did a C shape so easy and effortlessly with this wig. So then I'm just going to go back in with my hot comb and just re-hot comb the parting area to get everything to lay in place. And I'm also going to use my wax stick as well to help mold the hair in place. And I'm also going to bring the part around to the back section of the hair as well, and then just clip it out of the way, so that way whenever I'm hot combing, the hair is already like kind of holding in place where I need it to be held at. So yeah, I'm just going back in and parting and just cleaning up any parts and everything like that. So Yeah, this hair color is super pretty. The texture is really nice. The wig was nice and full as well, so you could definitely do a lot of things with this wig, you know, other than the style that I did. You could do whatever kind of style you really want to do, but you are a little limited because it is a closure, but you still can definitely make it work, just like how I was able to still do a side part with a closure wig. So yeah, this would have also been cute if I did like the regular swoop down kind of look, like more so like the stiff swoop but not stiff, if y'all know what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm gonna part down a little section of baby hairs, and you can see after I part it down, I'm just going back in and using the comb side of my edge brush to just remove some of the hairs from the hair that I have parted down so that I can make it more thin, because I didn't want to have to go back in and repluck, which you definitely could do. But yeah, I just parted off as thin as possible, and then I'm going in and trimming it down. Then I'm going to take my mini flat iron and go ahead and curl that right under. And then I'm going to grab some of my Ebin hairspray, which y'all know we like to use to hold our wigs down, but it also works great on baby hairs. I just use a small amount of it, and it also will kind of like tack your lace down in that section as well. So yeah, I'm just spraying a little bit more because I wanted the top part to lay flush, like against the lace where the baby hairs are coming out of the lace set, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, then I'm just going to play around with it and kind of shape it and give it more of like that fluffy, softer kind of appearance. And then we will move on to the next step. So yeah, I'm still playing with the baby hairs. We're not moving on. Who am I kidding? Okay, so now I'm just brushing this section back as well. And then I think I did use a little bit of the spray on the comb part of the edge brush to kind of just mold down that little section of the lace. And then I was like, okay, I'm about to go in and curl this hair. Like, this curl pattern is so pretty. Like, I'm so mad that I used this curling iron and just totally changed up the curls of this hair. But too late, can't go back now. So yeah, I just went in with this 1-inch curler. This is the, what is it, the T3. So yeah, I'm just using that to curl the hair, and then I'm gonna go in and just curl up all of the hair. I did not use like a blow dryer to like press the hair out first because the hair is curly, so it is still gonna have some texture to it because it was more of a curly pattern versus whenever I'm using this, it's kind of like straightening it out a bit, but it's still not getting it all the way out. Y'all will see at the end what I'm talking about, but it gives you the overall look of how the hair looks if you decide to put some curls in it. But just looking back at it, I love the natural pattern of the hair. So yeah, you can see the difference of how it looks. And if you just wanted it a little fuller, you could definitely take a wand curler similar to the size of the regular curls and just use that to kind of like fluff up the hair a bit. So yeah, now I'm just going to comb the hair out to polish up the style. Y'all know how I like to do. You can see some of the curls kind of already dropped, so then I go back in and recurl any pieces. And then I did also go in and cut a little bit of layers, just to face frame a little bit on this parted side. Also, I did not go in and conceal the parting area. I don't know what I was thinking. I totally forgot to do that, but I think I told y'all that in the outro of the video. But the part still does look pretty good because I did use makeup to conceal the knots. But y'all can see this curling iron works bomb. Like, to say that I didn't straighten out the hair or blow dry it out or anything like that, and it was still, you know, had a nice curl slash wave to it. It got pretty straight, like just with the curling iron. So yeah, I'm just going to recurl any pieces after I have cut the layers in so that you will really be able to see those layers pop out. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just having like all kind of ideas of things that I could have done, but the video is already done, so it's too late. So yeah, I'm just gonna hold this hair into place with a clip because I just wanted it to cool off without just letting it go, so that the curl could be a little bit tighter and hold in place. And then I curled this little section, and then y'all will see me pushing it back and just styling it into place. And then I'm going to show you a little trick that I like to do, because since this is a closure wig, you know, you can't really push the other side back, like the side that has the baby hairs, because the lace doesn't go all the way down to the side. So I'll show you this little method or trick that I did to kind of like help disguise that. But you can also part out some hair and do a sideburn piece. I think I talked about that at the end as well. But you can see here, I took like a small section and kind of like pushed it behind my ear, and then I bring the rest of the hair back over it to kind of like help disguise that it is actually a closure and not a frontal. So this is how the hair is looking. It does have a lot more body and looks more full with the curls, but yeah, so stay tuned for the outro. Okay, guys, so this is the completed look of the hair. I think this color is super pretty, and like once again goes with the makeup and the white that I have on and everything. Like, I feel like it just gives a vibe. But yeah, your girl is hungry, so I'm about to go eat. So yeah, I hope y'all liked the video, and leave any questions or comments down below, and I love you guys so much. Bye guys.